Well, YouTube, it done happened to me again. I got a Craftsman's lawnmower here, and as you can see there, let me see if I can. As you can see here, it threw another rod. This time it busted out the house case, the casing. Yep, another lawnmower gone bad. And I haven't even had this one that long. I don't know what the deal is with that. And here's the metal piece that flew out the side of it. Just busted right out the side there. I don't know what the deal is with these mowers and why they keep doing a ride. Just my luck, I guess. I guess I got so much yard, it's telling me to get a riding mower and stop using these push mowers. I have no clue. But it's pretty strange that I had two lawnmowers throw a ride. I haven't ran over anything. All of a sudden, you hear king, you know, and that's because of the blade's momentum still going. Because there's no piston to keep the engine drive. You know, no compression or nothing to keep the engine going, so that's all you hear is kink, and then you wind up with that there. So there's really no repair in this one. Like the last one I could repair if I wanted to, but this one here is not looking good. But there you have it, and just wanted to share that with you guys. Another episode. And shoot, I might as well start making videos about when my lawnmower breaks, because it seems like that's what my issues are. But anyway, thank you for watching, YouTube. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.